All right, so this is Mark Claiborne, founder of StartupCreditRepairBusiness.com. Me and my daughter over here are relaxing, and we're about to put this mask on here because we're getting ready to go in the store. But before we do that, we're going to talk about expert status again and why the world needs you. Why the world needs you. Okay, so let's do that. So let's talk about why the world needs you in this industry. Let me close this door. Can I close the door? She said, yeah, I can close the door. Why does the world need you in this industry? Why? Because we want experts. We want people who know what they're doing. And when we can identify people who know what they're doing, we establish this know, like, and trust factor. Now just think about it for a second. When you are having a serious problem in a doctor, you go to the doctor, right? And what does the doctor do? The first thing the doctor does is what? Refers you to a specialist if they feel that you need a specialist, right? That's the first thing they do. So when we get into the credit restoration industry, we read a couple books, right? We read a couple books, and then we call ourselves an expert. And really, you're not an expert yet, right? Because you need the time, you need to put the time in, the effort. You're really not an expert yet. So why should I trust you? Why should I hand over my credit card to you? Think about it. Why should I hand over my credit card to you? Why? You got to give me a reason on why I should hand over my credit card. You want to be trusted. And the way to do that is by letting the world know about your expertise and what you can do and how you can help them. That's right. That's right. So here's my challenge to you right now. I want you to understand that when you show the world what you can do, when you show the world your results, when you show the world your expert status, the world will come to you. People will come to you, but you have to be bold. You have to be bold. You got to go over the top to show people what you can do and why they should pick you over everyone else. All right? So let's see what my daughter's doing here. Woo. So Sandora, are you ready to go? She says she's ready to go. Huh? All right, so she's ready to go. We're going to put that mask on. Again, this is Mark Claiborne, founder of StartupCreditRepairBusiness.com, also founder of the Client Dispute Manager Software.com, lead trainer for Top Traffic Secrets Gurus Don't Want You to Know. That's coming in July. Check it out. And again, start focusing on becoming an expert in a particular area, and you will gain more customers. I promise you that.